The Nike Art Gallery, one of Nigeria's hidden treasures, located at the Lekki, Lagos, Nigeria, is one of the biggest art galleries in the whole of West Africa. It comprises of about 4-story buildings and has about 7,000 pieces of artworks from different artists and curators. The center has a diverse collection of art by a multitude of artists, celebrating Nigerians' talent. This is Mlenya, and if this is your first time on this channel, you're welcome. On this channel we talk about faith, places and lifestyles, and today we are actually reviewing Nike Art Gallery. The gate itself is designed to depict art. From the entrance by the left-hand side of the gallery, you will see a roll of artworks, figurines and images displayed to usher you in. As you proceed, by the right-hand side, you will see other artworks. Some are made from wood, some are made from recycled materials, others are made from clay to showcase the Nigerian African culture. It also has a shop where you can buy your African materials and African things that you desire. You're welcome to the Nike Art Gallery. From the second floor of the building, you can get a wide angle of how the whole building looks like. This gallery has images and artworks on every part of the building, even to the roof. You will still find a picture or an image. This is the step to the first floor of the building. Okay guys, so we are currently at Nike Art Gallery and this place is freaking big, guys. Like, this place is freaking big. This is the biggest art gallery in the whole of West Africa, and guys, this place is big. I'm tired of looking at all the artworks. So if you're an artist, probably you're an art student, or you like collecting art, or you like painting, or you need inspiration, to do some stuff, I think this is the right place for you to actually come in, because the work of art is just amazing. I particularly love this design of wooden clay pots. This reminds me of our traditional methods and ancient times. This is my most favorite art piece in this whole gallery. I mean, it shows how a cake is being divided and being eaten and consumed by black ants. And it even shows that this is like the national cake of Nigeria that is being destroyed by its citizens, in quotes. But I just love this. I don't know, I just love this particular piece. Other arts and other crafts, other paintings are also displayed. I even heard that some of these paintings and figurines are being sold for billions and millions of naira. That means if you're an artist and you want your paintings to be recognized, you can come to Nike Art Gallery and speak with her, and then you guys can come to an agreement on how much you want your paintings to be sold, and you can make some money out of it. I mean, look at this beautiful keyboardist. It's actually wood because I tried pressing it. You can only appreciate the African culture when you come to galleries like this. It just gives you an insight on how the African culture and mind is. So guys, that's basically the end of this video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Do you like to come visit the UK Art Gallery? I think this place is mostly for artists or people who love art, people who collect art. I mean, I feel everybody should actually visit this place because, I mean, I'm a work of art, you're a work of art, everybody's a work of art. And I think it's nice to see people create things from nothing. Some people use their fingers, some people use broken bottles to actually create work of art. And I believe that art is primarily God's most useful existence, you know, creating us. God is a creator and every artist is a creator. So I believe that everybody should come visit this place to get a glimpse of how God sees things, or of how God creates things, or the ability and the power God has actually given to us to create things. So thanks so much. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Do not forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next week at a different place in a different location. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye for now.